Every morning tayo mag-live para ma-update ko rin kayo kung anong meron dito sa Sun Valley. And sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, I hope na makapag-subscribe kayo sa akin channel. If you are interested sa mga properties, makapag-invest, or like you are interested to have a vacation house, or dito na kayo mag-settle sa Antipolo, yeah, you are invited. I'm inviting you all to check the properties here. So today is our open house. And yeah, marami kaming mga offers, like mga promos sa house and lots natin is from 28 million to mga ganun. Malaki ang discount, no? Mga ranging from that price 20. Ayan, dapat kabisado ko, guys. Anyway, so yun lang, guys. So if you are interested, ayan, mag-live lang ako ng at least 15 minutes para makita ko how it goes dito sa live ko. And if you are, yan, yung isang nanonood sa akin, hi guys, hi guys. Ayan, sana mag-comment ka para magkakilala tayo. Magkaroon ako ng new friend here in YouTube. Or kung kilala na kita, ayan, hello, kumusta? Ang aga naman kasi, no? Welcome to live chat. Okay, welcome. So, paano mag-start ng poll? Ayan, ask your community. Isn't it lovely? Isn't it? Ayan. Hello, ayan. Ano ba ilalagay ko? Add option? No. So, lagay natin ng ano ma-question natin for the day? Is this a lovely place? Ayan. So, start up poll tayo. Ayan, guys. So, again, no, if you want an overlooking properties dito sa Sun Valley and Perch. Again, this is Sun Valley West End, itong nakikita nyo. And sa taas, yun, dun sa pinakatuktok, dun naman yung Perch. So, magkatabi lang siya. Okay, so with that, guys, good morning. Salamat po sa watching and sa mga nanood ng aking live. And I hope to see you here. Again, today we are inviting you to be part of our open house here in Sun Valley and the Perch. I hope you can come and just you can comment down below para pwede tayong mag-meet somewhere, like dito may tayong McDonald's. So, doon kami nag-meet ng mga client. Doon sa, dyan lang, ayun, nakita niyo yung McDonald's. Ayan, nakikita ba dito? Wait. Kasi nasa-zoom naman siya eh. There. Yun, yung yellow. Where? Saan? Ayun. Basta may yellow dyan. McDonald's yun, di ba? So, yung M na McDo. Okay. So, with that, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you here in Sun Valley. And again, today is our open house. You can come and visit. Just message me or you can call me at 0917-816-5947. Pero maganda siguro kung kayo ay mag-message first. Kasi minsan, minsan meron akong area dito na mahina yung signal. Hindi ko alam kung yung phone ko ba ang may sira or ako yung may sira. Hindi, kung may siya, may something siya, maganda mag-text kayo, mag-message kayo, or message me so I can call you Again, my number is 0917